Today we have a air conditioner heaven. We have a 1.5 ton Goodman that's all beaten up, and we have our own very first differential, which is also beaten up, and our reams, and we also have this ream in classic, and this little ream couple screw compressor. I'm not going to take a look at those other units because there's people at those windows, and that's the one that gets busted. That's data. Hasn't been running. Couple screw compressor, I think. Yeah, it is. Because I need the capacitor. Or the capacitor for its size. This differential has a enormously large coupling screw compressor. So does this Goodman. Then this ream has coupling reciprocating compressor. And this has a Emerson. This one has an Emerson screw compressor. This one is going to be replaced very soon because it's a 19th old screw. It's a junk control. Some of my YouTube friends call it. They call these junk controls. We got this new Mitsubishi ductless unit. We just installed this the other past following week. This is also an Emerson scroll. I think this one is also ooh. The central is actually just turned on. Kind of shaking. It's all cleaned up. Very lucky.